All right, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. We have 106,587 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering in here, that's just in camera, that is not in person. Got the 10-speed, 2-wheel drive, big screen, you got the console. Hit on the brakes. Brakes feel good there. Looks like we got a blinker out. It shifts nice and smooth. And if you hear this little clicking, the console lid here kind of shakes. It's not solid. I don't know if the latch needs to be adjusted to make that go away or just put some little bump stops in there, but that does click around. Suspension feels good, no complaints there. Truck drives nice and straight. Now the steering wheel does seem a little off center. It's very subtle though. Other than that, it drives really, really nice. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. You do have damage right here. You can see the gashes. You can see some heavy gashes there. Tires look good, lots of tread left there. Little scuffs on the wheel, but overall in great condition. That looks good. Some light markings on that side mirror. You can see some chips here. Some more chips and gashes. That looks good. Some little scratches and stuff. The rest of that panel looks nice. That side looks good. You have some gashes and dings there. And then kind of all across the bed, you're gonna see these gashes. Of course, you can tell the bed was used. And of course, you're gonna get the plastic here. It's kind of gashed up. You get up closer, see that. You have some deep gashes all throughout here. So if you get close, you're gonna see that. Tread on that looks decent. They are different tires though. Some light scuffs here and there on that wheel. Got the window tint. Plastic up there has some light gashes. Here on the edge of the hood, typical rock impacts. It's pretty minimal though. A few on that side. Upper side looks good. That headlight, overall that's clean. You do have some little gashes and you have rock chips peppered throughout that front end. You can see that. You have some deep ones there. You can see that valance is busted. It's missing kind of half of it. And then over here, you can see that got ripped off. You have more gashes throughout. Headlight looks good. Grill solid, that's all intact. That fender looks good. Overall, the wheel's clean. Some light markings here. A few little scuffs on the door, but that looks good. You got a ding there. You have a ding in here with a scratch. You're missing the handle cover. And then of course you have gashes kind of all throughout that bed. That wheel looks good. You have gashes on the taillight. It's busted. Dings, gashes, dents, things like that all across this upper section. Some damage down there. Definitely a work. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Of course, this is a work truck, so you're gonna see the wear. That looks good. That's clean. Got the all-weather mats here, kind of curled up on the edge. I do see a rip right there kind of forming, cushions kind of flattened, little stains and things like that. rest of that looks good. Here on the steering wheel, of course, you're going to have some use, some heavy wear and stains. That looks good. Buttons are nice and clean. Automatic headlights. Upper side of the dash here, from what I can tell. That looks good. Got the big screen, center console, two-wheel drive truck. Everything else though, that looks good. Here on that door panel, some light scuffs, but overall good. These have curled up, which is really common. You have carpet underneath. That looks really nice. I do see scratches and some stains and dirt on that seat. I don't see any rips though, and that bolster is really good. Still nice and firm. Seat back looks good. Overall, that's in good condition. You do have some gashes on the glove box. Upper side of the dash, some light scuffs. Got the console here. Here on the headliner, typical little scuffs, little stains, a little bit of dirt up there. Here on this door panel, typical scuffs and scratches, a little dirty. Got your all-weather mats. Got some scratches. You have some wear marks, stains, things like that on the seat. I don't see any big rips or tears though. Here on the console, typical scratches there. That cover's broken. The rest of that looks good. Here on the headliner, a couple stains. All right, here on that door panel, overall looks good. Mat's nice and clean on this side. Most of that seat looks really good actually. Scuffs and stains over there, but this one's really clean. Same with that seat back. And then, like I mentioned, the handle is broken here, like it's off, but it still opens. But the little cover is missing. All right, scanning through the engine bay, all the plastic up here is nice and clean. Looking at the battery, I don't see a date on it, but it looks really nice. Oh, actually here, 224. That looks good. Overall, the engine bay is really clean. Here on the underside, that looks nice.